A cradle sling is a versatile and unique accessory designed specifically for Jasmine lifts. This accessory allows the caregiver to easily change the resident's positioning. Cradle slings are well suited for residents where sling removal can be difficult. Support ranges from the head to beneath the thighs. Invacare cradle slings are constructed of durable materials that resist deterioration from moisture and laundering. They're constructed of a unique fabric that forms a soft yet supportive surface, and its stretch-resistant character helps them hold their shape for superior comfort and ease of positioning. Cradle slings attach to the lift with 4 straps for easy positioning. The straps have attachment clips at the ends that are reinforced at all attachment points for safety. Sizes are indicated on the labels and by the outer binding color. Refer to the sling chart for dimensions. Always check the weight capacity of the lift and sling. Do not exceed the lowest weight capacity of either item. Although one lift will work for most residents, it's recommended that each resident be issued their own individual sling that conforms to their weight, medical condition, and type of transfer that will be performed. Always check with a physician before selecting a sling. Watch as a cradle sling is used with a resident seated in a wheelchair. Before beginning the process, engage the wheel locks to make sure the wheelchair does not move. Lean the resident forward in the chair. Take the sling and position it behind the resident with the smooth surface against the resident's body and the grab handles and labels outside. Push the bottom of the sling to the seat. The sling should be positioned between the top of the resident's head and the base of the spine. Make sure it is straight and parallel to the resident's shoulders. Position the straps as far forward in the seat as possible. Lift one of the resident's legs. Reach under and pull the sling out until it's just behind the resident's knee, about 3 inches. Repeat the procedure for the other leg. Be sure that the straps are clear of the frame of the chair. Move the front riggings out of the way. Position the lift so it's over the wheelchair. Make sure that the legs are in the maximum open position for stability. Lower the boom so you can attach the sling to the cradle. Keep the cradle away from the resident's head. Lock the rear casters to secure the lift. Attach the straps that are near the resident's legs to the front of the cradle near the positioning handle. Slide the clip over the knob and pull down on the clip until you hear this audible click. That lets you know that the clip is locked in place. Attach the clips to the cradle so that each strap goes around one leg. Then attach the top straps to the sides of the cradle, again making sure that the clip is locked on the knob. Unlock the rear casters and then start the transfer. Make sure the resident's arms are inside the sling. Use the grab handles or positioning handle to adjust the resident's position for proper seating.